Good morning students, to all of you. So today we are going to start today integrated rate equation for a first order gas reaction. Okay, so then let's see into that what to do there, beta. This is a different one. All of you see it very carefully. Now let it be, these reactants are given to you. This is a gaseous state, arrow B in the gaseous state and the C in the gaseous state. Then what to do there, beta? Now as we know very well, when time is 0, at initial time is there, then let it be pressure will be P naught. What you can consider it? P naught. And for B and C it is 0. Okay, but at time t, at time t, it will become P naught minus of P. Okay, P naught minus of P, and this one will become 0 plus P, again 0 plus P. Is that clear to you? But everybody is knowing, you are also knowing that reactant is always decreases. This is the reactant, and product is always increases. That is why 0 plus P is there. Okay, then after that but we have to find out the total pressure. What to find out? We have to find out their total pressure. See, when we have to find out total pressure, we will add this one and this one. Okay, so in the next line what we can write? P total is equal to P naught minus P plus P and plus P. Then after that what will happen there? It will be cancelled out. Then PT or P total becomes P naught plus P. What it becomes? It becomes P naught plus P. Okay, students? Now after that, if we have to find out the value of the P, then P will be equal to PT minus of P naught. Is that clear? Then after that we have to fill the values over there. Okay, let's see, we can fill the value of, after that you see please, we can fill the values over there. Now what we were having PA. ठीक है, PA कितना था हमारे पास? PA was P naught minus, what was the value of PA? PA was P naught minus of the P. Then value, now minus of the P. Then this value we can find out over there, we can put it over there. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? P naught. Clear? P naught, then minus of PT minus of P naught. Is that clear? तो ये बन जाएगा 2P naught minus PT. क्या बन जाएगा? 2P naught minus of PT. This is the pressure for the reactant A. 2P naught minus PT. Clear? Is that clear? And initial pressure, everybody is knowing. Initial pressure is P naught. And what is the formula for first order reaction? Usually we are writing K is equal to 2.303 by T log of A naught upon A. A naught is the initial concentration, A is the final concentration. Then formula will be K is equal to 2.303 by T log of P naught upon 2P naught minus of Pt. Is that clear to you to all? Here P naught is the initial pressure and Pt is the pressure at time t. Is that clear? So this is the expression that we have made for the first order reaction for the gaseous phase. Okay, you should have to remember. Student, I'll give you some example how the question is coming in the exam. See, they can give you equations like this way in the exam. Suppose if this equation is given to you, N2O5 in gaseous state, arrow 2NO2 in a gaseous state plus 1 by 2O2 in the gaseous state. Okay, this is also a gaseous state. This is the decomposition reaction in the gaseous state. Same way, one more example is here. Suppose SO2 Cl2 in the gaseous state, arrow SO2 in the gaseous state plus Cl2 in the gaseous state. Are you getting my point, all of you? So these are some examples that we have done over there. I hope you all have understood. Thank you very much.